one direction, for example, achieving a common goal. What is unity of direction? Suggests that there will be one head, one plan, and one goal of activity. Positive effect: achievement of original goal. Negative effect of principal: lack of coincidence. Thanks a lot to Principal Ma'am and Khan sir and Toy sir to provide a great opportunity. Now I would like to call my friend Arun, who is going to tell you individual interest or general interest.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Anurag. Today I am standing here something about subordination of interest. What is subordination of individual interest to general interest? According to this principle, the interest of organization, interest of individual employees. It an objective of organization, positive effects, achievement of organization goals between individual or organization goal. Thanks are Khan sir and Sohit sir and Principal Ma'am to call my friend Janak, and who is going to tell you about remuneration of person. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Janak Mehra and my topic is remuneration of person. This is a seventh process of principle of management. Basically, what is remuneration of person? According to this principle, employee in the organization must be fair or adequately to given them maximum satisfaction. At the same time, it should be within the paying capacity of the company. The fair wage is determined according to financial capacity of the concerned, by keeping in mind the minimum wage act of government, the wage and salary paid by the competitor. Thanks a lot to Khan sir and Toy sir to provide a great opportunity to do this workshop. Now I would like to call my friend Yash, who is tell you about centralization and decentralization. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon to all my respected teachers, MD ma'am, and my dear friends. My name is Yash Singh Bisht and I am here to tell you about centralization and decentralization. First, centralization. Centralization refers to the concentration of authority or power in few hands at a top level, and decentralization means evenly distribute the power in each and every level of management. Now it is a small organization, well organized and managed with the help of a centralized technique, but in large organization we need decentralization. Thank you for Khan sir and Tohit sir, who will give me a great opportunity to work in this workshop. Now my friend Ria will tell you about principle of scalar chain. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all who are present here. It's me Riya Chand, standing here to tell you about my topic, and my topic is principle of scalar chain. So what is a scalar chain? Basically, scalar chain can be defined as a line of authority or a chain of a superior who from highest to lowest rank, and it can be followed by step. Fayol insists that the chain must be followed step by step or strictly followed, and the positive effect of a scalar chain are organization must be gap in the firm, and negative effect of scalar chain are no clarity of authority in the firm, Thanks a lot to Khan sir and Toit sir to give me a great opportunity and to do this workshop. I would like to call my friend Shubham Chand and he will tell you about the organization principle of order. Thank you.
Good morning teachers and my dear friends. My topic, the principle of order. Principle of order does not means to order someone, but it means to arrange the men and material in a systematic way. There should be a fixed place for everything. Otherwise it will be difficult to find the things in places. So for example, if the new person is working in an organization, so there should be a specific place for managing department. If you want to find the managing department, so there should be a managing office, there should be a managing operation room, so he could strictly go and find the manager. The violation, now I will tell you about the positive and negative effects of principle of order. The positive effects of principle of order are, if there is a principle of order, so there will be the smooth and systematic manner. If there will be the principle of order, so we will do right decisions and it will be easier to find the managing person. The violations of principle of orders are, if there will be no principle of order, so it will be difficult to find the person who we need to inquire, and the organization will be not work smoothly and systematically. Now I thank you Khan sir and Toy sir for giving me this opportunity in this workshop. Now I can call Khushi to speak on the topic of principle of equity. Thank you.
Good afternoon, one and all present here. Myself, Khushi Chand. Today I am standing here to tell about principle of equity. Equity refers to kind, fair, and just treatment of employees. If employer will put their maximum efforts, if employer would put their maximum efforts for kindness and justice. If a manager is based on dealing with the dissatisfaction of kindness and justice, equity does not mean that the same rule and same application of the position and gender. It means that same position and same gender. Thank you Khan sir and Tohit sir to give me this opportunity to speak this workshop. And next I would like to call my friend Priya to speak about stability of principle of personnel.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Priya. Today I am standing here to tell you about stability of tenure of person. And what is stability of tenure of person? It is refers to no frequency, termination and transfer. According to this principle, the management must provide the feeling of job in secretary amongst the employees, because the feeling of job in secretary and among cannot contribute their maximum. Frequent turnover on employees is bad for organization, and such decision making must be when taken when they are almost unavoidable. Positive effect of this principle: first one is improve efficiency level of employees. Second one is no waste of time and resources. Thank you and have a nice day. I would like to my friend Jatin and he tell you about institute.
Good afternoon all of you. Myself Jatin Singh. Today I am studying here to tell you about initiative. Initiative refers to taking the first step with self-motivation. Develop the feeling of belongingness in employees. Employees achieve their targets on time. Violation of principle of management. Employees will not work to the best of their ability, and demotivation among employees will increase. Thank you. And now I will call my friend Swani, who will tell you about speed D crops. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Swani and today I am standing here to tell you about Spirit Corps. Spirit Corps means union is strength, means a teamwork. It is one of 14 principle of management. spirit of props, it refers to a feeling. It refers to a feeling and prior to mutual loyalty shared by employed from management. Must encourage and promote team spirit, unity and harmony, which result in coordination among employee and managers. This principal status I placed with we, which we all work together to achievement a organizational goal. Now I would like to tell you about positive effects of this principle. First, develops team spirit, and second, achievement group goal. Now I would like to tell you about violation of this principle. First, team goal may not be achieved. Second, no team spirit and more stress on insolvent. Now, thanks to Tohir sir and Khan sir to give me a great opportunity for do this workshop. Now I will request to MD ma'am that we speak 2 lines for all of us and give blessing on all of us that can we do for better in future. Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone, and a big thanks to Khan sir again to arrange such a types workshop every week. And I think students, which knowledge you are getting by the books, so I think that is will remain with you only till your exams will be, you know. But this knowledge, whatever you are getting by the workshop, it will remain with you ever and forever. Because you know, you are learning in this workshop that how to express your thoughts, how to express you know, your views. Understood? That how you can give your importance, you know, opinion in any topics. So in your life, when you will go after school, schooling education anywhere, then you have there is no written work. There will be, you know, you have to prove yourself by your expressions, and that is the most important thing which you are learning through the workshop. So today, if I say personally, all did very good, but you know, that voice that is new. What's his name? Yeah, Soham Chand. He spoke very well. I think it was his first chance. Last time he wasn't here. He was. Yes. No. So he impressed me very much. So clap for him one time. They all are trying very good, but I hope that next time you will do better than it. If you have problems, but when you face the camera, when you going to deliver anything, then be confident always, okay, and keep your voice in a strict way, that अपने विचारों को आप किस तरह से प्रकट करें, किस तरह से आपको बोलने हैं, उसमें आपको no, there should be no hesitation. अगर है तो वो धीरे धीरे, if you will face every day, you know, every week such kinds of workshop, and very improvement they will help. I think so, no? So thank you so much, beta, and do better, very better than yesterday. Thank you so much.
Thank you, my students. I am very glad. My ईद आदि हो गई क्योंकि हमको जो है बहुत अच्छा लगता है सब कुछ, और सिर्फ हमको ये जो प्रिंसिपल है इसको रटना या नहीं करना है, इसको अपनी लाइफ में भी उतारना। इसके लिए मैंने कहीं ना कहीं एफर्ट भी किया हुआ। मैंने एफर्ट किया हुआ है कि हमारी कशिश है और प्रियंका है, ये अकाउंट्स में क्षेत्र में, और प्रियंका है बिजनेस के क्षेत्र में। कापी बोल रखा है कि हमारे मंडे को कापी अकाउंट की चेक होगी, तो पहले ये 4 स्टूडेंट की कापी को एक पहले पास करेगी, मेरे पास आएगी, उसके बाद मैं इसकी कापी पहले चेक कर लूँगा। तो एक टीम वर्क के रूप में काम करना, और टीम भी ऐसे नहीं कि एक ने दर पकड़ा, एक ने चारों भाग रहे हैं। टीम उठाएंगे और सब मिलकर एक साथ आगे बढ़ जाएंगे। समझ में? 4 पाए हैं किसी भी चीज़ के, तो हमको चारों को एक एक लेकर के खींचना नहीं है, सबको साथ लेकर के एक साथ चलना। उसी कड़ी में शुभम सुहानी जोशी को हमने कशिश के साथ, जतिन को, यश को और प्रिया भट्ट को जोड़ा है। दूसरा हमारे पास अगली टीम का जो है हेड जो है हमारे पास दीपेश और पवन है। दीपेश है अकाउंट में और पवन है बिजनेस में। इनके साथ जोड़ा है अरुण, जनक, आदित्य और खुशी को। ये हमारी दूसरा पार्ट है। और थर्ड पार्ट हमारा है जिसमें हमारी सुहानी, ये बड़ा अच्छा बोल रही लास्ट में जो आती है, बहुत अच्छी स्टूडेंट्स हैं। उसके साथ में रिया अकाउंट में रहेगी, सुहानी, रिया रहेगी बिजनेस में। इनके साथ में जोड़ा है गौरव, तुषार, प्रिया मौर्य और आस्था को। अगला लास्ट है बट नॉट लीस्ट, बहुत अच्छा है। इसमें ये लोग लगते हैं अपने आप को कमज़ोर, लेकिन मैं लगता है कि सबसे अच्छे यही है, जिसमें साथ में ऋतिक को और शुभम को जोड़ा। शुभम जो न्यू स्टूडेंट है, ऋतिक रहेगा अकाउंट में और शुभम रहेगा बिजनेस में। इनके साथ में है भूपेश, उमरा, उसके बाद कन्याल, भास्कर और प्रियांशु। इस तरीके से हमारे पास ये टीम्स हैं। हम लोग टीम के वर्क में काम करेंगे और सिर्फ टीम वर्क में काम नहीं करेंगे। अगर आप लोग इसमें अच्छा परफॉर्म करोगे तो इस टीम को कहीं ना कहीं हम अवार्ड भी देने का काम करेंगे, और अवार्ड मेम के द्वारा मिलेगा, जो भी अवार्ड होगा जिस भी तरीके से, ठीक है। और ये हमें एक दिन नहीं काम करना, हमेशा जब चैप्टर कंप्लीट होना तो ये इसी तरीके से हमारे काम को आगे बढ़ना। मेरा बर्डन भी कम होगा काम का, और आप लोग को भी काम करना आएगा, और एक टीम वर्क के रूप में हम काम करेंगे। हैनी फ्यूल के जो 14 प्रिंसिपल हैं उसको सिर्फ हम पढ़ेंगे नहीं, उसको अपनी लाइफ में उतार के हम अपने उसको कहीं ना कहीं कामयाबी की तरफ जाएंगे। तो दैट थैंक्स दोबारा, थैंक्स ऑल ऑफ यू, और थैंक्स मैम कि आप इस बार उम्मीद है कि मैम हमारी इसी तरह से हौसला अफजाई करते रहेंगे, और हम कभी मैम को निराश नहीं होने देंगे। और ये वायदा है कि हमारे पास के स्टूडेंट हैं 80% से ऊपर मौत है, अगर इस तरह से चलते रहेंगे तो हमारे